As the last thing in this section about trigger processing and actually more about the show command than anything else, let me just give you one more quick thing about show that's interesting. There are many things about it. Let's do the show command, but instead of showing it at a row and a column, meaning this row and column here, I'm going to use the showctr command, CTR. And because of that, all I need to know is the row. So we'll just have one parameter in here. That's a parameter. We'll say show center on line 13. This is this line now. This is actually just a row, and that's all you need because it's going to center whatever text you tell it to put on there. In this case, we're telling it to put the text that's in the variable email warning. And now I'll show you one other thing as we're here. Yes, I could use the same routine, which says email warning equals null, and then show email warning. That's fine, that worked, but I've already shown you what that does, and it works pretty good. Instead, let me show you another thing. The thing I showed you before, clear screen. Let's just clear, since we're showing something across the center of a line, let's just clear the screen, line 13, and then end. This is essentially the same code to two different things. FilePro can skin a cat a million ways, and I want to kind of give you the idea of how differently things can be done. If I tab down into the email field, I've shown that thing on the center of the screen. It's not exactly where I wanted it with the row and column. It's not under the J or where the email field starts, but I just want to show you what showctr does. It centers your text. And if I hit enter, clear screen is going to clear screen. Ah, look what happened. I cleared the whole screen. Very bad, correct? Yes, let's go back and show you what this is about. If I go into the clear screen command, I have one up there already, so I've hit the first one where it says clear screen 23, so I'm going to hit F9, hit enter. Takes me to the next one, which is this one. Now what this means is if you look at the text, the syntax for clear screen, it would say if you just put the row, it clears from that row to the end of the screen. Sometimes a very useful thing to do. If you put a second parameter here, it means I not only want to start at line 13, but I want to clear just one row starting at line 13. Or I could clear 3 rows starting at line 13, or 9 rows, or however many rows are left on the screen. I'm going to clear 1 row. Okay? Update, tab, tab, tab. Now when I leave the field, just that one line clears. Once again, FilePro is doing exactly what we're told to do, and no more, no less. I hope you're enjoying this processing section. Next, we're going to move on to another section in FilePro.